Looking for a career? Well, welcome to Derby Teaching Hospitals that can offer many opportunities across two sites, whether that's here at the Royal Derby Hospital or over at our London Road Community Hospital. Whether you know exactly what you want from your career or just trying to find ideas, employment diversity is what we can offer. So let's introduce to you a few of our staff who are excited to share their journey with you. There are lots of apprenticeship programmes here at Derby. Let's meet Chloe. Chloe joined us at 16 on an apprenticeship programme from Sixth Form College. Being able to earn whilst learning was really appealing, and Chloe has gained confidence and matured by being treated like an adult. Having no experience of working, she has developed through our supportive learning modules, gaining knowledge and skills along the way. So Chloe now holds a permanent role within the organisation after completing her apprenticeship. She's now the first point of call for the Learning and Education team. Next, let's meet Georgina. Georgina's career began as a trainee biomedical scientist, and after doing a 4-year associated degree course, she registered with the HCPC and returned to blood transfusion work after a few years away on a career break. By taking on a role here at Derby and getting back into the laboratory, Georgina has been supported to develop professionally and has enabled her progression within haematology. Recently, she has become the named blood transfusion practitioner for the Trust, representing our organisation through networking across the region and nationally, and not to mention the guidelines she's developed with the UKAS. Let's look at Chris's career. Chris started as a physiotherapy assistant, gaining work experience whilst working towards a sports science and biology qualification before starting a physiotherapist degree. After qualification, Chris went on to the physiotherapy rotation, then progressing onto the role of senior physiotherapist in the trauma and orthopaedic inpatient therapy team. After a few years in this role, Chris is now employed as a trainee advanced clinical practitioner, or ACP. Developing specialist assessment skills as a physio has been really beneficial, particularly when working in the emergency department, assessing musculoskeletal, or MSK, injuries. So whatever your background, could you have the skills and desire to become an ACP? Unfortunately, Mark's A-level qualifications weren't enough to pursue his original career aspirations, so he went off and worked as a general labourer. During this time, he supported a personal friend with some caring needs, finding it extremely rewarding. So he went on to undertake his nurse training, where he realised he had a real natural affinity and rapport with children. He undertook a variety of roles in both adult and children's services, including the intensive care unit, high dependency unit, role as a senior staff nurse and subsequent charge nurse, whilst continuing to professionally develop in line with the service needs. Transferable skills have been fully utilised, playing a part in the development of the Children's Hospital building. Now, part of the senior corporate nursing team, he's able to influence care, affect change and make a difference to both patient care and staff development. Having attended a career event at school, Russell's potential was realised in the health service, so why not come along to one of our career events? Having gained work experience in the medical physics department of a local hospital, Russell went on to become a registered nurse, working in theatres as a scrub practitioner following his nurse training. Russell has been supported through leadership coaching and has helped transform the services we deliver to our patients. Currently working as a clinical equipment trainer across the Trust, he is still part of our flexible workforce, working across the nurse bank, maintaining the clinical skills he needs, especially within the recovery department. From staff nurse to matron, returning to her roots in maternity and gynaecology, Bev's advice would be don't be afraid. Look at the different paths and sideway moves, and take development opportunities and secondments as they are offered to you. You will always gain from the experience. From ward sister to risk nurse to medicines management project nurse, she developed the skills she needed to become matron. You never know where your career may take you. We listen to our patients and relatives and always value any feedback as an organisation, as reflected in our recent CQC report. Who knows what the future holds for all of these aspiring individuals, but what they all share is a passion to develop, support and inspire. So whatever your aspirations, you can be rest assured that we take pride in everything we do, as patient safety and care are part of our core values. Here at Derby Teaching Hospitals, your talent, abilities and interests are paramount, so why not visit our super hospital websites to see our latest opportunities.